Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English, where learning English is fun and easy.
Try stretching your body for 5 minutes. It helps reduce muscle tension and can make you feel more relaxed and awake.
Let's break it down.
Try stretching your body for 5 minutes.
Try stretching your body for 5 minutes. Stretching, stretch. Stretching, stretch. Stretching, stretch. Body. Body. Five. 5. Minutes. Minutes. Make an attempt to stretch your muscles for several minutes. Repeat. Try stretching your body. Try stretching your body. For 5 minutes. For 5 minutes. Usage examples. Try. You should try to get more sleep. I'm going to try to finish this book today. Why don't you try calling him? Try a new recipe for dinner tonight. Stretching, stretch. I need to stretch my legs. He started his day by stretching. She felt better after stretching. She was stretching her legs after the long drive. Body. He has a muscular body. He takes good care of his body. Your body needs a regular exercise. Five. He has 5 cats. I have 5 apples. There are 5 people in my family. She'll be back in 5 minutes. Minutes. The meeting lasted 30 minutes. I'll be ready in 5 minutes. She was 10 minutes late. He arrived a few minutes ago.
It helps reduce muscle tension.
It helps reduce muscle tension. Muscle. Muscle. This makes it easier to decrease the tightness in the muscles. Repeat. It helps reduce muscle tension. Reduce muscle tension. Usage examples. Helps, help. The medicine helps relieve pain. The guide helps tourists find their way. She helps her mother in the kitchen. The charity helps those in need. Reduce. We need to reduce our expenses. The government aims to reduce unemployment. The new law aims to reduce crime. He decided to reduce the amount of sugar in his diet. Muscle. The heart is a muscle. He has well-defined muscles. She has a muscle injury. Regular exercise can help build muscle. Tension. He felt a tension in his neck. She tries to reduce tension by meditating. The tension on the rope was too great. There is a lot of tension between the two countries.
And can make you feel more relaxed and awake.
And it can make you feel more relaxed and awake. Relaxed. 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 Awake. And it can help you feel calmer and more alert. Repeat. And it can make you feel. And it can make you feel more relaxed and awake. More relaxed and awake. Usage examples. Make. Her words always make me smile. This movie always makes me cry. This song makes me feel nostalgic. Your support makes a big difference. Feel. I feel happy when I see you. She feels tired after the long journey. I feel like something is wrong. He feels the cold more than others. Relaxed. He seems relaxed despite the pressure. I feel relaxed when I listen to this music. A relaxed mind can think clearly. The atmosphere in the room was relaxed. Awake. The noise kept me awake. She is awake and ready for the day. The baby is awake and needs attention. I was awake all night thinking about it. Vocabulary recap. Try. Stretching, stretch. Your body. For 5 minutes. It helps. Help. Reduce. Muscle. Tension. And can make you feel more relaxed, awake. Read. Listen.
Try stretching your body for 5 minutes. It helps reduce muscle tension and can make you feel more relaxed and awake.
Do you like stretching your body? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.